Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We have a new addition to my keyboard collection. I've kind of been dabbling for a little bit now, and this is my second Higround keyboard, so I'm excited to check it out. This is my first Summit 65. I think it's Summit 65. It's sturdier, different switches, all that good stuff. So this is the Brain Dead collaboration, limited time. Still currently available as of filming this, so let's check it out. Very heavy, just first grab. So we have a little Higround sticker. Well, thanks for buying, I think. Okay. So I never tried the Forge app. I'm not sure if it's new. So I bought the Snowstone Higround. I have a Keychron K2, kind of the early infancy, I guess you could say, of one more sticker I forgot. In the infancy of my keyboard addiction, which is probably good. So here is what you've all came to see. Oh man, good weight to it. You get a nice braided cable here. USB-C, of course. A switch puller. And a keycap puller. I actually don't own one of these, so that's nice. I have some more Higround stuff coming in for some more kind of custom builds that I'm going to be doing in a little bit. So, okay, here we go. I was new to this Brain Dead brand or company. I've never heard of it. I think it's mainly a clothing brand. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, please. So here she is. Has a cool. Here's the base. I've heard kind of like people with this little brass or gold plate, or brass plate, bronze plate. People are not like, that's where a lot of the weight comes from. A lot of people are not really a big fan of that. But you see, it has lights on the side here, and then I thought it had Brain Dead logo, but maybe not. Maybe the Summit does, the Summit edition. So here's the first. Ooh. Let me move y'all over closer. So it's very nice. And let me grab. Okay, so I grabbed the Snowstone keyboard I have currently. So that's what this looks like. So much lighter. And here's what it sounds like. Let's check the weight. Put my mic back on. So the Summit 65 keyboard comes in at 3 pounds and 7 ounces. And this Snowstone, 1 pound, 4.5 ounces, just about. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to record this very quick video unboxing this keyboard. Excited to try it out. I did buy some extra keycaps. The mouse pad's very cool. Let me show that off really fast. So here's the mouse pad. I have the, I keep calling it Snowstone or Sandstone. I may be completely off. But I have the one that matches my keyboard I just showed. And here's this one. leather mouse pads. Very big. So I can get the general glimpse of it. I think I'm zoomed out as far as I can go. But let's try this. So there you go. Looks pretty sweet. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for some more keyboard videos as they come up. See ya.